Welcome to question bank. Today's question is, for a step input maximum overshoot in the output will be dash, and here is the circuit given, and we have to find out the maximum overshoot for a step input. This is a RLC series circuit, and for RLC series circuit, suppose here voltage is output voltage is across the capacitor. So output voltage can be given in terms of Laplace transform like this, Is into Xs, and Xs is the reactance. In case of Laplace transform, that will be 1 by Cs. So this will be, and Is, what is Is? Is for the whole circuit, that is the current in Laplace transform, will be is Ei, that is input voltage, by the whole circuit in Laplace domain. In Laplace domain, R remains the same, L is Ls, and C is 1 by Cs. So this will be R plus Ls plus 1 by Cs. So here the transfer function, the output is Is, output is simply 1 by Cs into Eis by R plus Ls plus 1 by Cs. So what will be the transfer function? Transfer function is output by input in Laplace domain. So what will happen? This input, this will be goes down and the remain will be same. So what will be this one? This one will be like this, 1 by Cs into R plus Ls plus 1 by Cs. This is the transfer function, and we have to find out omega. We have to take it in the form a square plus 2 zeta omega n s plus omega n square. This is the form, and we have to make this equation to that form. So I will multiply into the, this will be RCS, this is 1 by RCS plus CL square plus 1. So to make this form, I have to divide one LC in both numerator and denominator. So this will be 1 by LC, and here this will be a square plus RC by LC. So what will happen? This will be 1 C will be cancelled out. So 1 C will be cancelled out. So there will be only R by L S plus 1 by LC. So this is the form, and now this is one of the constant. So now this is denominator is in the form of, this is second order characteristic equation, and here omega n square is 1 by LC. So omega n will be root over of 1 by LC. So, and here L is given 1 microhenry 1, and C is given to be 10 microfarad. This is millihenry and this is microfarad. So this is 1 by 1 milli into 10 micro. So what will happen? And this is the root over. And what will happen? This is milli means 10 to the power minus 3 and micro means 10 to the power minus 6. And here this one is 10. So this will be minus 10 to the power minus 5. This will be 10 to the power minus 5 and this will be 10 to the power minus 3. So this will be 10 to the power minus 8, and when it will be come to the numerator, this will be 10 to the power 8, and root over of 10 to the power 8 will be 10 to the power 4. This is omega n. And now from this what will be 2 zeta omega n is equal to r by L. So zeta will be r by L by 2 omega n. So what will r is 10 ohm given. R is 10 by L is 1 milli and 2 into zeta. Zeta is 10 to the power, omega n is 10 to the power 4, and this is 10 to the power minus 3. This is 10 to the power minus 3. This is 10 to the power 4. So this will be 10, and this will be coming to be equal to half. So now we will find out the overshoot in percentage. What is the overshoot in percentage? Maximum peak overshoot. Maximum peak overshoot will be equal to exponential of minus zeta pi by 1 minus zeta square root over into 100. This is percentage. So what will be this one? This one will be exponential of minus zeta pi, minus zeta is half into pi by 1 minus half square root over into 100, and this will be calculated to be 0.16 into 100, which will be around 16%. So here the answer C is the correct answer. This system is also under damped. So here answer C is the correct answer. So thank you for watching up to here.